Let's talk about our newest feature release. We now have cookie consent banners for funnels and websites. I love this because it enables businesses to effortlessly implement cookie consent banners on their website and funnels to comply with legal requirements and enhance customer transparency. Let's talk about those benefits. Well, first of all, this is going to simplify compliance. Now you can easily implement cookie consent banners across your entire website. It's also going to enhance the customer experience because this update is going to provide visitors with a transparent information about how you utilize cookies. And you're going to be able to easily customize the options. So, what's great about this is you can tailor the look and feel of the cookie consent banner to match your website's branding and your specific preferences. So, let's talk about that practical use. Now, your online presence can have a cookie consent banner feature to inform visitors about the use of cookies, ensuring that you are always compliant with data privacy regulations and building trust with potential customers. So, this is a basic option that really needs to be on websites in all countries across the globe. Now, you have the ability to put this on your own websites easily right within your CRM. Now it's time for me to show you exactly where to find this. So first, we're going to go ahead and create a new funnel or website, or we're going to go ahead and edit an existing one. To do this, as you probably already know, you're going to be under sites and you're going to be under either funnels or websites. Now you're going to go ahead and access that builder and you're going to go and click the edit button to do that. Now let's talk about exactly where that cookie consent is. So you're going to see this little cookie type of icon now. And when you hover over it, it's going to say cookie consent. Once you click on that on the right side, you're now going to see that cookie consent. And now you can simply toggle that on or off. Now let's go ahead and see exactly what that looks like. So they're basically just going to have this little pop-up happen when they are there, and they are going to click the I read and understand the above. And this is what is our cookie consent. And they're going to click agree. Now we're still in that funnel builder, and so you can actually see this right here. Now let's talk about customizing the general settings. So first, we are going to go ahead into the general settings area and we're going to choose our compliance type. We're going to edit the message and we're going to choose how we want to actually show that policy. Now let's go ahead and customize the style. We're going to want to match that to our website so that it really feels like it's supposed to be there. It matches our branding and it just overall has that similar feel to our website. So you're going to want to go ahead and customize the font, the background color, the text color, and those button colors. Now let's go ahead and in the advanced settings, let's add the essential cookies. So you'll go ahead and click on that plus button and you're going to customize this based on your business. Enhance your website compliance and customer trust with our new cookie consent banner feature right within the CRM, providing your business with customizable options to meet legal requirements and improve transparency with website visitors. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.